The Republic of Türkiye has undoubtedly entered an era of key changes in all sectors of the economy. We have decided to compile those innovations that affect the Turkish property market in 2024. Let's take a look together. The Planning and Budget Commission of the Grand National Assembly of Turkey has passed amendments to the law on renting residences for tourism purposes. To rent out property to tourists, owners must obtain a license before entering into a rental agreement. Rentals for more than 100 days to a single tenant are prohibited. In the case of a multi-apartment building, the consent of the majority of neighboring owners is required. A license plaque issued by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism must be posted at the entrance. Violations are punishable by fines ranging from 100,000 to 1 million Turkish liras. Starting from January 1, 2024, taxes, fees, and fines have increased in Turkey. The revaluation rate this year is set at 58.46%. This applies to income tax, corporate tax, VAT, SCT, stamp duties, property, inheritance and gift tax, and vehicle tax. Passport, notary, title deed, driving license, emission, vehicle inspection, administrative and court fees have increased. Fines for traffic violations and certain special fines for administrative offenses have also increased. Highway and bridge tolls have been raised. From 2024, a new type of property insurance is introduced in Turkey. The ZS mandatory insurance system replaces the DASK policy. This extended insurance will cover damage from earthquakes, floods, landslides, fires, hurricanes, etc. The cost of the policy and the amount of insurance payouts will depend on the package chosen by the owner, basic or extended. There are also changes in the appraisal of under-construction properties. The valuation will no longer consider the estimated market value of the completed project. The Commission will now evaluate the cost of housing based on its current state, excavation stage, frame construction, etc. Now, to buy an under-construction property for a residency or citizenship program, an appraisal must be ordered to ensure that the price meets the minimum threshold of the program. TURK ESTATE. Make your dream come true and live by the sea now.